Hi guys! So for today, kasama natin si Poy. Hold on. Ne. Hi. Hi. Wait lang. There. So, for today, kakahapon bumili kami ng dragon fruit. Yan. So, 87 isang piraso guys. And then, first time ko papatry kay Poy ang dragon fruit. Diba di ka pa nakatry ng dragon fruit? So, kakatapos na lang mag-biscuit guys. So, here. Nakalakihan kong kumain ng dragon fruit. So, I love it so much. So, pag meron, depende kung mura, bibili ako. Pero kung mahal, hindi. So, this time, nakabili ko na isang piraso. Medyo pricey nga lang siya. Oh my God, it's so nice. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Ah, yummy. First time kong papatry sa kanya to guys. So, yan. Tsura niya. So, here you go, Dylan. Try. Yummy. Mm. Sarap. Maria. What happened? You don't like it? Hmm? More? So yummy kaya. Ayaw mo ba? Mm. Started to like it. Like it now? It's yummy now. I know. More? More. What? Oh! Where is it na? I give you small piece na lang, opo. Opo? More? Okay. Mm. More? One more? Mm.